In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the trim feature in CorelDraw to help manipulate the fonts for your images that you're trying to create for your design. Hey, this is Anthony from Rocket Prints, and on this channel I provide you walkthrough tutorials from graphic designing to digitizing images for heat pressing t-shirts and embroidery. Today we're going to take an image from the internet and we're going to manipulate the font with this M. We're going to apply a star to the M, and then we're going to trim it, and then after that we're going to take the font, we're going to apply it to a patch. From there we're going to embroider it onto a Letterman jacket.
Let's go to CorelDraw. We're going to go to landscape. We're going to select our text tool. We're going to type in ENMU. Blow this up. We use college black. From here we're going to make a duplicate copy just in case we mess this one up. We have something else to fall back on. We'll go ahead and delete all the ones we don't need. We're just going to concentrate on the M. And then we'll go to our basic tool, bring in the star. And then let's go ahead and import the PNG logo so we can see what we're doing here. Okay, let's go ahead and add some more points to our star. Do about 15 for right now. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to color this and we'll just bring this in. And we're going to align it to kind of match the way the image looks on that logo. And let's do 16 for right now. Just going to bring this down. I might have to increase this 2 more points. Let's blow this up first. Okay. All right, that looks good. Okay, let me just make another duplicate M just in case. All right, let's go to our bezel tool. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to take the points and we're going to redraw everything. So we're going to go from point to point, okay? We're going to start here, go to the point, go down to the second point, and just keep following along. Okay, and then from here, I'm just going to hold my shift tool and I'm just going to drag it all the way to the other side. All right, let's go ahead and let's bring this to the left. Let's go ahead and delete this one. Let's bring this back in. Let's align it. Okay, and we got one more step that we need to do is we need to get rid of that center point. So I'm just going to double click on it so I can get the node. And then I'm just going to delete it. All right, now I'm just going to do some touch-ups here. Just going to bring this up, try to straighten it out. Make sure none of the white is sticking out before I apply the trim tool. Okay. All right, now all I'm going to do is just select both images and select trim. Boom. Let's go ahead and get the yellow part out. And there we go. Voila. Okay, so now all we're going to do is just bring this back in, and we are going to drag the M and replace it with the other M. Okay, and from here I'm just going to get my parallel dimension tool, and then I'm going to just record the distance from each side. So it looks like it's 0.022. And we are going to bring this out some, and let's do this again. Oops, wrong one. All right. So at 27, let's go back some. Perfect. Okay. And there it is, guys. How cool is that? Let's go ahead and export it as a PNG, and we are done. Okay, we're gonna use this 805 Wonder Under iron-on adhesive. So we're just gonna take a little strip, and I had cut some out before. In case you're wondering, that's the culprit. Frankie? Frankie? All right. He's over there making all kinds of noise. Okay, so we're gonna put the rough side on the bottom, just like that. I'm going to cut this. Well, let's cut this to the shape. Put it right there. All right. Alexa, set the timer for 15 seconds. Okay, here we go. Alexa, stop. All right, now we're just gonna peel this off, and it should be all fused on there. Cool. I'm gonna take our heat press pillow, and I'm gonna apply it underneath this arm here to help support and guide this piece, okay? You can see right there. And then what's also helping me is that there's a seam in the middle here that I can see, so it's just gonna make things easier. All right, so now just take this patch, and we're gonna put the flag, we're gonna put it right there, okay? And here's the middle of the seam, so it's gonna go like right there. All right, let's start pressing. It looks good. And let's go and take the pillow out. And one task done. And it looks really, really good. And that's it, everybody. That's how we go from CorelDraw to manipulating fonts, then applying it to patches and embroidering it on Letterman jackets. So hope you all like this video, and if you found value in this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up, as it'll help my channel out tremendously. And if you want to see more content such as this, subscribe to my channel. With that, you all have a blessed week and a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week, and peace.